Hey, welcome. Another R-XSR. I've flashed them from my X7 with the module bay and so forth. This time I thought I'd do it with the X-Lite included S.Port adapter. Building up this rooster and I'm going to mount it on this, so first things first, I don't want to pull it back out after building it up. Handily you get two cables. I'm pretty sure this is direct power and S.Port and it's keyed on one side here. But first things first, I've already put the firmware I need, the FCC firmware on here. Just to be diligent, it's going to verify these pins before I run a receiver. Off the yellow one, it looks like we're getting some data sent over, so tell you how. Go into the system menu, second page, I've put it in the firmware folder, R-XSR FCC 10, hold it down, flash S.Port. I'm going to gingerly put it down until it's finished. Success by all accounts. Now this should be able to go in there. Really straightforward to do it that way. If you are doing it from a module bay on an X7, you are going to have to swap these pin assignments. Check the link in the video in the card and it shows you how to do it. Nice simple easy way of flashing your receiver's firmware. I think all the new ones support this method. X-Lite, brilliant. Catch you later.
Here, Billy. Hey.